What up, man?
Okay.
What is your name?
It's Devin Huffman.
How long have you been at Blue Collar?
6 months.
And what do you do here?
A little bit of everything. Mostly bodywork and fabrication.
What's your favorite part about being here?
Getting to see everybody in the morning.
What would we do without you? What is your favorite color?
Purple.
Oh, that's a good choice.
My favorite.
And your favorite car? You can have any car on the whole planet.
Probably a Nissan 300 CX.
Would you rather have coffee come out of your nose every time you sneeze, or have bacon for fingernails?
I'll go with coffee. I don't sneeze a lot, and I hate bacon.
Well, you don't have bacon fingernails?
I
You just,
hate
like,
bacon.
You hate bacon?
Yeah.
I don't even like you no more. I'm out of here. Thanks, Devin.
Yep.